Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing a bike check video 2020 update. So I'm gonna start with the bars. I got Colt Vans grips with some Barossa bar ends, and then Subversa bars. And then I got a Fiction stem with a Rant headset. And then I got an SC frame. Has SC on the back. And then I got Subversa forks, Subversa tires, front and back. And then I don't know what this rim is. And then I got a Sunday sprocket. I got Mission cranks. I don't know what chain this is. I forgot, honestly. Then I got a Shadow seat with a Rant seat post. And then with the back, I got a, what's it called? Hold on. I got a Mayor with the Mission hub with some Rant pedals. I think that's about it. Yeah, go subscribe, comment, whatever for more. I'll be posting more videos soon. Just wait on it.